The Porsche Exchange Classic Restoration Team is thrilled to provide you with an update on our current progress. Our 1975 911 Carrera Targa has recently undergone several weeks of meticulous restoration work at North Shore Auto Rebuilders, an esteemed Porsche certified collision center.
Hello, this is Steve Newmeyer with North Shore Auto Rebuilders doing the challenge car for Porsche Exchange. We are about to put our black single stage paint on this 1975 911. So come on in the booth. We have everything prepped and ready for paint. We finished our filler and our primer with 800 grit sandpaper, so it's a very nice smooth finish, so our paint will lay down nice and flat, replicating the factory finish from 1975. There is not a ton of orange peel on this paint from the factory, but we do have to apply it a certain way to mimic that spray pattern and technology from 1975. During our process, after the car was in bare metal, we had to put our epoxy sealer on for corrosion protection. Now we also had to add a rocker undercoating underneath the vehicle, in the engine compartment, inside the vehicle, and then in the front tub. And then seam sealer was applied to all the exposed cracks and crevices. Replicating the factory finishes, we used history that we found with Porsche with our help from BASF and Glazeret Company. And then we took video of the car when it was brought to us, documented it, and then reviewed it with our team to follow the procedures that it was made from the factory. We are going to start painting now, so we'll be getting some live footage of the single stage being applied to the car. Our first layer of paint is on. We're gonna give it about 15 minutes to let the paint cure and flash off, followed by a top coat, which will be our final coat. So 2 coats of our single stage black, and then we'll be baking the vehicle at 140 degrees for 40 minutes. We just finished painting the car. We're gonna bake the vehicle at 140 degrees for 40 minutes to cure the single stage paint. It is code L041 from Porsche, which they've been using from 1972 to current year 2024.
We eagerly anticipate receiving the chassis back from North Shore Auto Rebuilders so that our team can commence work on the interior and mechanical aspects. Our team has thoroughly enjoyed working on the project, and we're excited for you to follow along as we restore the 1975 Targa to its original prestige.